There's part D and part C. So here's part D. This is the larger piece of wood, and then part C, which would be the one that would go on the top. Looks like you need to provide your own screwdriver. I'm gonna see how long this takes too. So right now it's 11:49. Okay, now the other side. There, good. That's one part. So this is part C. Alright, now the other side. Attach parts F to the bottom of parts D. They gave you 5 of them, but I guess it's just an extra one because it looks like you put 4 on there. It's sticky. Yeah, I guess just kind of in each corner. There we go. That's done. And then you just hang this on part B. This is part B. Goes right there. What time is it? 11:55. Okay, that was like 6 minutes. Great. Super easy to assemble. Oh, and super sturdy, by the way. Look at that. Excellent. So it doesn't slide around on the counter at all. It stays in place. Look at that. Wow. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy discovering hidden gems on Amazon and want to see more product reviews, subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more amazing Amazon finds.